Good morning, West Michigan. Looking at 512 on this Monday morning, and after what was a fairly mild weekend, temperatures are dropping back down into the deep freeze as we kick off this week. You can see fairly quiet travel conditions in downtown Grand Rapids. I will tell you there are some slippery and icy spots around on some of those secondary and side roads, so definitely pay attention to shiny pavement this morning. Anything that looks shiny is going to be very icy. So cold and quiet as we start the day. Partial sunshine today. Temperatures in the low 20s for highs this afternoon. Low to mid 20s tomorrow, and then snow moves in on Wednesday. Wednesday will likely be the warmest day in the entire 8-day forecast as that area of snow on Wednesday wraps in some sharply colder air. That returns us to some Arctic air as we close out this week and kick off the weekend. Currently 16 degrees in Big Rapids, 17 in Grand Rapids and Mount Pleasant, 20 in Kalamazoo and Coldwater. Temperatures outside this morning a good 15 to 20 degrees colder than we were at this point yesterday morning, and a lot of that is because of this prevailing northeasterly wind, which is now bringing in the colder Canadian air. And of course, you combine those air temperatures this morning with the winds, and we've got feels like readings down in the single figures, so a very cold start to the day. Now, as we look at Storm Track Live radar, not a lot going on this morning. You can see fairly quiet weather conditions from West Michigan back to the west. So again, we get quiet weather conditions today, tonight, and into the day tomorrow. Where is the weather activity focused? Well, once again, in the northeastern United States, places like Boston, Philadelphia. Looking at some significant travel issues, and that's because of, again, a massive area of snow moving in. We've got freezing rain advisories up for much of central Pennsylvania, making the change over to winter weather advisories and eventually winter storm warnings. So bottom line, if you're traveling toward the East Coast or traveling by air today, I would recommend calling your carrier. Futurecast computer models, again, that northerly wind should be bringing us at least partial sunshine today, late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Temperatures again drop down to the single figures, and then during the day tomorrow we'll start to increase the cloud cover during the afternoon as another system comes our way, and that one will eventually bring us some snow arriving on Wednesday. At least a few inches of snow Wednesday, breezy, turning sharply colder late Wednesday night into Thursday, and then we wrap in that Arctic air, which should be enough to bring us some, what is Matt calling it, robust lake effect snow showers as we close out the week and head into the weekend. And look at that, a lot of negative signs in advance of those single-digit temps.
It's very cold, Terry.
Over the weekend.
Cuddle up with your sweetie.
Yes, exactly.
You know, I was looking at Bill's blog, which I put on my Facebook page, a link to it anyway. It's on the Wood TV page as well. He's calling, or says there's a possibility for -24. One of the models is calling for that, like on Sunday, -24.
That will be hard to manage, but let's just say it's just that exclamation point. It's going to get really cold here.
Okay.
Yes, robustly cold.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Terry.
No, robust is the lake effect snow showers.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, yes. Right. Don't get that mixed up, Brett.
The cold, we'll call it brutally cold.
Okay.
Dangerously cold, bitterly cold. How about that?
All right.
Yes,
all right,
exactly.
Yeah. Inconsiderably cold.
Yes.
All right. Anyway, 5:15 right now.